Yeah, this is about the Supreme Court nominee Neil Gorsuch, who was nominated by Donald Trump for the vacant seat when Antonin Scalia died now over a year ago. Now, Neil Gorsuch is not yet a Supreme Court justice. He could be, though, in just a few minutes' time. This could happen very, very soon indeed. But the setback that you talk about is this one. He didn't make it through the Senate. He needed a 60-40 vote, but not enough Democrats voted for him, making a 55-45 vote in the Senate. And this is quite historic. This doesn't happen very often for a Supreme Court justice to be blocked in this way. Now, without going into too much detail, the Senate, controlled by Republicans, will now essentially change the rules when it comes to voting on a Supreme Court justice to get Neil Gorsuch through. This is an absolute priority for Republicans and for US President Donald Trump to get a conservative judge like Neil Gorsuch on that Supreme Court, giving them a big advantage when it comes to some of the biggest decisions that the highest court in the land can take when it comes to abortion rights, for example, or the health care of US citizens, or same-sex marriage, for example. That is where these kinds of cases end up. That is why this is so important for Republicans. Do expect, though, for Donald Trump to see his nominee for the Supreme Court, Judge Neil Gorsuch, to be a member of the Supreme Court pretty soon.